Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study social studies class 4 unit 2 citizenship lesson number 7 peace and conflict. Today we will do its exercise. It is page number 56. Let's start. Question number 1 is define the term peace and conflict, and the answer of question number 1 is conflict means a disagreement or a fight. Peace means there is no unrest in the country. Okay, peace means there is no unrest in the country. Next, question number 2 is what does the UN do? And its answer is the UN is dedicated to find peaceful solutions to any conflict. Next, question number 3, how many wars have there been in the world in the last 30 years? And its answer is in the last 30 years, 120 wars have been fought all over the world. This is the answer of question number 3. Question number 4. What are some of the things that happen when there is a war? And its answer is when there is a war, a normal life cannot continue. Schools are closed. There is very little clean water, gas, or electricity. Many people lose their lives or get badly injured. Doctors in hospitals are overworked. There is a shortage of medicine. This is the answer of question number 4. Question number 5 is what does soothing mean? And its answer is soothing means to do something like listening to music or doing something to calm yourself. This is the answer of question number 5. Next is the work page. First one is choose the best option to resolve each of these conflicts. First one is your friend pushes you and you fall down. Option number A is push them back. Option number B, get up and tell them not to push. Option number C, shout, don't push at them. And the best option is B, get up and tell them not to push. Next, number 2 is someone accidentally spills their drink on you. Option number A is demand an apology. Option number B, tell the teachers that they did it on purpose. Option number C, stay calm and clean up the mess. And its answer is option number C, stay calm and clean up the mess. Next, third one is you see someone older than you being bullied at school. Option number A is tell a teacher. Option B, confront the bully. Option number C, ignore it. And its answer is tell a teacher. Option number A is the correct option. Number C is mark the sentences with true or false. First one is the UN has 51 member states. And it is false. F. Number 2 is it is difficult to think clearly if you are angry. It is true. Number 3, it is okay to hit someone if they annoy you. And it is false. Number 4, conflict is a part of life. It is true. Number 5, there are no solutions to conflict. It is false. I can show you the answers of these questions. The question number A is first one, option correct is B. Second is correct answer is C. Third is, and its correct answer is A. Next, true false. First is false, second is true, third is false, fourth is true, and fifth is false. Today we have completed the exercise of lesson number 7. In our next video we will do the exercise of lesson number 8. Allah Hafiz.